All right. At the risk of becoming a YouTube superstar or an influencer, let me explain about the cough. The cough. The symptoms of the virus. They all sound like the flu. Yeah, and they do. But let me tell you what. Let me try to demonstrate the cough that will differentiate a little bit or a lot from the kind of cough we're used to having with the flu. So, first of all, I'm not a smoker, so I don't, unlike my sister Pam, my friend Wessel, Debbie, and my mom. So they usually on a daily basis are always going. That's their default, and I get that. So I can say, keep that in mind, and let me explain this to you. This cough, it starts like, it feels like your lungs and your chest begin only here, like there's nothing there. And it's like, you're trying to cough. It's like dry, and it's so friggin' painful. It hurts so much that to not breathe is less painful than making the cough I'm trying to describe to you. Like, I don't know if smokers would feel different, but I can only say it this way. It's like you don't have anything. It's like your lungs and your chest don't exist below here. And you're limited in coughing and breathing. It's like you want to cough because you feel the itch. And it's like, and that's like, shit. I just prefer like to hold my breath. And obviously the respiratory problems probably make sense why people are having a hard time breathing and get on ventilators. But it's like it takes everything you have to try to stop the cough. It's more painful than not breathing, in my opinion, in my experience. And I don't know how else to explain it. I can only say it's like it's like your respiratory system or lungs or anything you have to breathe and cough just starts like somewhere here, and there's nothing below to grab onto. This is what you're dealing with, and it's painful.